smoked in this Lite. This was trade of the week at this point right here. All right, so going into the trade, this was very, very tight right after earnings. We'd see this super tight wedge, and then so we have the macro trade here, and then if we look very closely, these 3 days, this is the earnings day. I love when stocks have a huge green earnings day reaction. In the next 3 days, we're tight inside days. So my thinking was, if I can get long over this inside day, just to get a little tight stop there, I have such a great risk reward on my hands. If this wants to explode to the high 90, 95, like we're seeing a lot of these semiconductors and chip type names do. So what happened was, this actually sets up the next day like perfectly. Gaps down a little bit, holds that low, and lets me absolutely load up against these lows, that little intraday low. And then the next day, we just had market weakness, and I got out with these new lows. That one just didn't work out. I loved how it's set up. I put myself in a position to make money. I had the macro lining up with the micro, so I can't be mad at this loss right here. I'm not mad at it at all. It's just like, I wish I risked as much I risked in this one as in the other ones, of course. But that's something maybe I could personally work on.